Here, a stocking for you. It's a D for depression.
Here, a stocking for you. It's a D for dumbass. Okay, we got a couple seeds in here.
Oh my god, dude, a cucumber's gonna grow in your belly.
Wouldn't be the first time I had a cucumber in my belly.
Lesbian. Who the fuck are you calling a lesbian? Who are you calling a lesbian? You're fat fucking shit.
You lazy, colossally backed beast! Are you actually serious? Where are the cameras? Zinger! Get out! And their like inbred ginger friend kept screaming. That was so mean. You're short. Go kiss your mother in the mouth. I want to impregnate my male English teacher. Are you never buy chicken cutlets from Shein? I'm like, okay. That sentence has you 2 steps away from a felony, so I'm gonna stop you right there. I do not care what tree George Washington's dog took a piss on. Let me lay by the pool. Oh, okay. It appears God would like a word. One more word and I'm gonna bite your knees.
I've never met a girl who doesn't like Taylor Swift.
You can back up a bit. What's not gonna be gentle is your bowel movements after I feed you a bunch of laxatives. And glue your butt cheeks together, okay? So stop talking. What? I am not your boyfriend. What time did Drake fart on March 22nd? The thing is, like, I'm not jealous. It's more like white, hot, fiery, unbridled rage and anger. Or like something to that effect.